density and states of matter. Consider mercury in 3 different states. The same material will have different densities in 3 different states. We can explain this difference in density using the particle model of matter. In the solid state, the particles are closest together. In the liquid state, the particles are further apart, and in the gas state, the particles are furthest apart. The solid has the most matter in the same amount of space. The liquid has less matter than the solid in the same amount of space. And the gas has the least amount of matter in the same amount of space. So, usually solids are more dense than liquids, and liquids are more dense than gases. Let's understand what happens when mercury undergoes a state change. When gaseous mercury cools to form a liquid, the same particles move closer together into a smaller volume to become a liquid. When liquid mercury is further cooled to form a solid, the particles move even closer together. The same number of particles of mercury occupy a larger volume when in the gaseous state and a smaller volume when in the solid state. Therefore, gaseous mercury has the lowest density, liquid mercury has a higher density, and solid mercury has the highest density. In general, gases are less dense than liquids, and liquids are less dense than solids. For example, air has a low density. Water has a higher density than air. Iron has a much higher density than water. However, there are many exceptions. Wood is a solid but floats on water, a liquid. This is because wood has a lower density than water. Water is another exception. Water in the solid state, ice, is actually less dense than water in the liquid state. Therefore, ice floats on water. What have we learnt?
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you. Anytime, anywhere.